Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore simple IRA contributions with Epic statements step by step clearly. Start by accessing your Epic account online. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Account Management section. Locate the Contributions tab. Click on Simple IRA Contributions. Review your contribution history to identify any discrepancies. Take note of the specific contribution amounts you want to restore. Gather any necessary documentation related to the contributions. Ensure you have the correct tax year for which you're restoring the contributions. Contact your employer or plan administrator if you need clarification on specific contributions. Prepare any forms required for restoring contributions. Fill out the restoration form accurately. Double-check all details on the form for accuracy. Submit the completed form through the designated method. Keep a copy of the submitted form for your records. Monitor your Epic account for updates on your request status. Confirm that the restored contributions are reflected in your account statements. If there are issues, reach out to customer support for assistance. Follow up as needed until the restoration is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.